person was asked to roll a giant stone up a hill. The stone has a diameter of 1.2 meters. So we should be able to, there we go. Have a look at the diameter there is 1.2 meters, is the diameter of the circle. If they roll the stone 5 times, how far have they rolled? So this is the formula you needed to select, the circumference of a circle. So the prior knowledge that you would be expected to have would be the fact that this is the circumference, this is the radius, and the diameter is twice the radius. So let's see, there's your diameter there. So your radius, and there's your diameter, and there's your circumference. So if we are trying to calculate the circumference given the diameter, we have got pi times diameter. All right, so we need to know that our diameter is 1.2 meters. So our circumference equals pi times diameter. So the circumference equals pi times 1.2 meters. So our circumference equals, so we clear that, and so we go shift pi times 1.2. So our circumference is, I'm going to round it to 3.77. So circumference equals 3.77 meters. And given my mistake last time, I'll double check on my calculator. So the 6 went up to a 7 because of the 9 there. I think to round it to any more than that just seems ridiculous. Now the stone is 5 times, 5 complete turns. So it's actually 18.85 meters. And let's check if we had 3.77 and we times it by 5, we would get 18.85 meters as well. So just checking for premature rounding. So we have to put here 5 times circumference equaled 18.85 meters. And check again, 18.85. So that, it says how far was it rolled? It was rolled 18.85 meters.